It's Dave with Regal Fabric here, your local cleaner in the Boston area of all soft furnishings. We want to show you what this project we're doing at our shop here in Woburn, Massachusetts. And this is a hand-woven needlepoint cover for a piece of upholstery that our customers have bought. You can see the threads in the back and how it has been hand-woven with this wool pile through this cotton and jute background or foundation fiber. So when they had their upholsterer take it off, it has they showed us it had a couple of openings, which we have stitched, because what we're going to try to do is clean this as thoroughly as possible, but keeping in mind to be as safe with the colors so the colors don't bleed and the piece doesn't shrink. And it would actually be this foundation yarn which could give us the trouble. So what we're going to do is use water-based detergents to clean this after we have attached this to a piece of plywood. We treat the plywood so it's not affected by water, and then we staple this completely down, especially careful around where the repairs and the weak spots are. An option is dry cleaning or using dry solvents to clean this, but dry cleaning does not do as thorough a job and remove as many different types of soil as water-based cleaning. And the video coming up will show you the result of this process. Any questions, comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching. Well, we're back for part two. This is the same needlepoint. In the previous video, you can see that it has been cleaned. The colors have got much brighter. What we did, as we said, we attacked this out on plywood. We cleaned it using water-based detergents, which is recommended for this project to get years and years of soil out. But before it goes back to the customer, what we have done is we took some cotton backing fabric here. We washed it and shrunk it, so if it ever gets washed again, it will not shrink. And we put upholstery adhesive, applying that to the back of this needlepoint, not so much, of course, that it would bleed through, but enough to hold this very secure. It'll be delivered to the customer like this, so when her upholsterer tries to reattach this to the wooden frame, sitting over like this, when he wraps it around the edge, he can pull this cotton and make it nice and snug and then tack it in, and same on this side, rather than pull a 40-year-old needlepoint that has some dry rot in the backing material and potentially splitting the fabric. So again, it's just a cotton backing, water insoluble adhesive used in case it ever has to get cleaned again. And this should last them for years and years and years. We added structure to the piece. We have stitched some of the splits that were here prior to the washing. And if you have questions about the process or about what we can do for you, leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video and want to see more like it, of course, hit the subscribe button. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for watching.